Day 2 on the west side, the best side. Still right now in my same stress I slept in. I just couldn't be bothered, so we got up now. It's like probably like 10 o'clock now. We're gonna go to a barber shop. Not a barber shop, you know. One of our friends was like, you can cut here anywhere. Yeah. So we're gonna go, you know, get a good lineup and thing and shape up and get ready for the day. See me? Crazy.
Look at that people. Dog, you take bad home trim now. Fresh. Get all the feet. Whoa. That's an uptown.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, circuit down the way. So just get a haircut, you see me? Right in the house, you see me? Easy way, easy breezy way, matter clean and thing, me clean and thing. Dream weekend trim. You just want wash off your face and thing and you see me? Do up the head. Because there's a bed here right now, but I try to get some food still. They have a cook shop or something like that that we're supposed to get food from, but
you can't go for Auntie Marlene.
You hear that? Auntie Marlene. But
you curry chicken and boiled banana and dumpling and anything and boiled yam.
That's Jamaican food for you. And I really still, I wish the place that we eat last night, it's still a rock. Because remember, the fish there, you didn't even understand. The fish and come there with the roti. But anyway guys, I'm gonna make you see whenever I hold some food. I'm showing you all the road though. So them a little place where we are road through, you know what I'm saying?
Country style.
Countryside. Savlamar. You understand?
Showing you a whole like grey pepper factory make. Great pepper factory. Easy spice. See dry test on the right hand side. This is the warehouse.
Where?
Easy spice seasoning. Hold on MG.
See that?
Yeah man, from country.
Alright, see ya. Get the hair, brush up and things so we kind of look half decent now to get something to eat. Because you have to eat when you look kind of decent, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to leave out real quick. I know which probably I'm gonna eat it, but once it's good food, I'm gonna show you the real Jamaican food. Some boiled dumplings, some yams, stuff like that, potatoes, chicken back. Right now they have a nice cook shop. I know the cook shop nice when the food smells good already. You see me even buy nothing in them hungry. Food smell good. But whatever. Eh?
Wow, you say what's going on?
Combo campina, pork, fried chicken, curry water, and snapper brown stew with whole fish. That's sliced fish.
Breakfast done.
No matter, I want fried chicken at least. I want fried chicken or something else. But that way I gotta do, I get some fried chicken, you know what I mean? Yeah, the lighting this one really so good. So I go hold some fried chicken. Maybe get some curry chicken or something, I don't know. More 2 meat, you understand? Maybe get like 2 meat right now. And then I just called my booking just now and she said that my keys left by the gate. So like we're glad for that still. So I'm gonna go to my spot maybe in the next 4 hours or so. And then get ready for it. Oh, this is what's happening to me. Like guys, this whole dream weekend thing, there's like you have dress codes and stuff, and I don't think I have all of my dress codes. Like we didn't even know. Like I need a white pants, and I might have about like a white pants here or something. You see me? Because I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's my first dream weekend, and it's not gonna be the last. The vibe don't get so mad. We love it. Well, I was getting food, you see me? In Jamaica, it's our typical thing. We like fried chicken. Thank you.
Maybe next one too.
We like doing fried chicken and we like to put curry gravy on top of it, you know what I'm saying? That's our thing, the man happy. Man all sweat before the food even touch his mouth. Food nice here. So Matthew boss me on the burner and say fresh fruit is good. Never seen this before, but I'm gonna try this fresh fruit. And I did a combo today. So I got my stew pork, rice and peas, what is mashed potatoes? Mashed potato salad, veg, and I got my fried chicken with curry gravy on it. You know what I'm saying? Matthew already gone in for food now. No have no table manners. Other people that just wait for them friend them, isn't it? But so you go still.
That kind of time, my father.
The drink, yeah. But This one is the best one I drink still. The ginger one, kind of refreshing. This one's alright. But I don't try this one obviously because I'm not full yet. But I must see what's up with that, make you know. What food done. Well, more rice, but of course I do want more meat to mash up everything else. But me and Matty eat plus the drinks them came up to like $1,500, which is good. It's awesome. Right now we're there at tire shop right now, you know what I mean? We're not fixing no tire. Car will come wash the cars too. That's how we do it in Jamaica, you know. We don't have no online and balance super center, whatever. Can come. One stop shop. One stop, you see me? Come on, regular tire man. You see me and just deal with the tire right there.
The first thing when I drive here. That's how one squeeze. Yeah.
I might say, yo, I have to get the car washed, but as usual, rain a go fall. But we're not going to teach you, but rain a go fall. Sometimes we need to make nothing. Even that. Well detailed, you know? Well soap up and thick. Love it.
I can't.
I say you feed the gas tree?
Yeah.
Awesome video. Ingenuity. You hear me? Yeah. How about it? I'm sure that's something real big. Free goat over here. Be a goat. What's that? Go, nigga. Oh, snap. Yo, you're apple of Jamaica, remember me tell you. Still here checking in with the goats. But so wait for my car for and get dry off and things, and then I'm gonna make a flip to, I don't know, probably pick up Matthew's sister and then go to my room or whatever it is I'm going to. Car clean. It's not even done yet, but they're doing their thing. This is my look, you know. As soon as the car wash, rain have to fall. Every single time. You see, anytime drought up now St. Elizabeth and I don't want to plant no crops, you wash my car for them. People them dash already. I don't know if this is like the redemption center or what, but there's a lot of people over there. I'm still on my way trying to get to my booking right now, so. This is what it looks like. I don't know what this is. It might be just be the redemption center they're trying to get their tickets from. Who knows? So I just got to my room, guys. Trying to open this place up real quick. Alright. Oh ho ho ho! I like it in here. But this is me. This is me, man. Checkers! Woo! So, got my little stove over there, my little thing right there, my little dish on my fridge right here. You see me? It's nice. My bed, of course, man. It's not. It's 2 beds, but whatever. And my small balcony out there. You guys will get the tour eventually. My little bathroom right here. Cute. You cute too. My little bathroom right here. Feel good. It's pretty good, pretty awesome, man. And my stuff, so I'm great. Of course, guys, I'll give you guys like a really, you know, better tour eventually, but kind of tight. I'm just reach us on more just using myself, you know. So I'll be back with you guys real soon. All right, guys. So I'm back inside the room, and I want to give you guys like a full run through now, as detailed as I can. It's a studio apartment. And for me, for Dream Weekend, this apartment, I like it a lot. As I said, the only problem I had was it's 2 individual beds, but like who cares? I pushed the bed together. I just pushed the 2 sides of the bed together. My bed at home ain't crap anyway. It's 2 beds in 1 anyway, so I'm used to that. So I put the bed together. The only thing that I would recommend was probably to have like an overlay. So if anybody who wants to make it become a queen size bed, they could put like a mattress topper overlay, so you don't really feel the edge in between the middle. But otherwise, I mean, it's lit. The AC is working. It's cool in here. I love this glass thing because I can get like some sunlight in there. My room at home sucks. Like there's a lot of trees, so I don't get a lot of sunlight. Also window here, so that's additional light I can get in the day. Well, those of you who got me on Snapchat, I was showing you guys like the tennis rackets up here. You know, they got tennis rackets, tennis balls. I mean, for me that wouldn't be a good racket, but for a beginner that'd be okay. Extra linens and stuff. The water heaters back in there. What's this? Maybe it's like the lounge chairs and stuff you want to take outside. So that's pretty dope. In here it's like, oh, we got an iron in there that I want. I need that. And you know, drawers and stuff, no problem, no big deal. A nice TV. You know, it's not a knockoff brand. I like that. It's not no TiVo. Well, TiVo is a brand, but like it's not no crazy TCL or some crazy brand. It's a good brand. I haven't turned the TV on as yet, but who cares about the TV? Dressers over there. Convenient guide map. You can look at whatever. Oh, and then you've got outside lounge place. I see girls. But anyway, and that's the outside lounge place and stuff where you can go outside maybe. But I won't be really using that, I don't think. You can plop your ass right there, comfortable. You test it out real quick. Comfortable, man. I can't complain. Over there, of course, you probably have seen the dining table. Nothing special, just a dining table. What else? Fan. I mean, you don't really need a fan because you got the AC, but what if the AC breaks down? At least you have a second option. So I like that, no big deal. The bathroom, modern toilet. I like that, you know. A window there. What's the point of opening the window? But yeah, there's, oh, it's a medicine, oh, not a medicine, well, it's a medicine cabinet, but get some leftover, you know, some Radox there if you want that, but I already brought my Old Spice or whatever it is. And you got your linen. So quite frankly, I'm very comfortable with this. Some persons I hear spend like $1,000 to, you know, do like the whole fancy hotel thing. But quite frankly, I can cook my own meals. I mean, it's convenient with a hotel, but it's not nothing for me to slap up like 2 eggs. It's me at the morning and some bread. Speaking of that, I don't have any groceries as yet, but I'll show you the kitchen area. So it's a kitchenette, probably better than a lot of our kitchenettes in Jamaica, because I don't have an electric stove, you know. But this is it. Nice little mini oven there and stuff. Got oh, fancy. Got little drawers back there, but this is a dummy drawer clearly. This one is really not really a drawer, but it's a dummy drawer. This is a real drawer. Probably another dummy drawer back down there. And then your fridge, camouflaged, but it is a fridge. I already showed you guys that already, and it's a pretty decent fridge than, you know, those little hotel room fridges. I like that. Just giving you guys a full review. A lot of you always like to ask me on my Snapchat or whatever, you know, where I stayed. I want to go there too. So you got your you know, your cleaning supplies. I guess the maid can use that, plus you as well. Very important, fire extinguisher. You got your coffee maker, your little toaster. You got this. I don't think there's a microwave, which I don't mind. Oh, you got cups and glasses and stuff. I like that. The only thing that probably is missing is like a pan, like a frying pan or something like that. I don't think that's here. Womp. Kind of defeats the purpose, right? Because I don't see a microwave either. Up top, that's a dummy thing right there. But whatever, I mean, this apartment, if you wanted to bring those stuff, you could have brought them, I guess. Would have been nice to have that there, but I don't mind that. It's no big deal for me. Yeah, I don't see any pots or pans. I don't care. I guess I'll just revise like how I'll eat, you know. But yeah, I still don't see any pots and pans. I'm just being hopeful here, trying to find something, but whatever. Yeah, otherwise I can go on the road anyway to get some, you know, local food, because you guys always ask me about local food, like, you know, where do I get these things or whatever, you know. So I'll show you guys as much as I can. And yeah, so this is pretty much the room, guys. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I guess this is where I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog. I'll be going out tonight to the event, so I'll give you guys perspective on that on the next vlog. But as usual, guys, remember these 3 things, and thank you so much for the support, guys. Yo, you guys have always been supporting me. I mean, it's not as big as how I wanted it to be or dreams, but I'm really happy. Like, I'm really glad for the persons who hit me up on Snapchat, message me. You know, I've met friends. Like, I literally met like real people that share the same energy and the same vibe that I have, and I like that. But anyway, love, nature, adaptation, and remember to keep the link.